Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. Apologies, once again we have to do podcast as we have some place where there is no facility for video recording. Yesterday, the US markets closed higher. So despite this DeepSeek related selling in technology stocks, the US markets have been doing very well. I think right now the US futures indicate market at all-time high for S&P 500 are very close to all-time high. Yesterday, the European Central Bank has cut the interest rate, and then the average index of the Euro stocks hit a fresh all-time high. While the global markets are looking for all-time high, no, our market has been very, very bad in January. So the January series, especially the mid cap and small caps, have fallen like anything. So as I've been saying the same thing again and again, so now everyone is waiting for the budget to do something good so that, the market sentiment turns around. So if there is no such thing happens in budget, then as I told you, our markets will become ultra bearish. And even for long term, we may not fall much, but the price correction may not be very big, but at least there'll be time correction. So I will not be having any bullish view for the next 1 year. So we have already corrected, Nifty has already corrected 10-12%, and mid cap and small caps have already corrected 15-20%. And then definitely something we should expect from the budget. So otherwise, today is the first day of the February series. Number one, because of this event, budget as well as Reserve Bank policy during the next 1 week. So option premiums are very high. So that is nature because the India VIX is also high. I think once the event is over on Saturday, the premiums may collapse. So depending on the outcome of the events. So number one, anything can happen in the event. So risk management is very, very important. So never short this market. If you want to short, you can consider shorting the market after the event, not before the event. And second thing, even the FIAs. Throughout the last month, the FIA short position was more than 80%. I think now their short position has come down to 75%. So even FIAs, they are covering their shorts or at least not taking that bearish view. That's number one. Number two, there's a huge amount of record amount of open interest in the futures, index futures. So that indicate heavy betting in the futures market. So probably, those who are holding cash market position, so if they're worried that if the budget is very bad, if the market falls suddenly, so they might be taking corresponding short position in futures. Or, there may be people who are taking a bullish view, but, don't have enough money to buy it in the cash market. So they might be taking long position in futures market. So when both these happen, so there'll be a huge amount of hedging activity. So all this make, open interest at the record level. So when this kind of thing happens, markets will make a violent move on either side. But that violent move, probability of that violent move happening on the higher side is very, very high. The probability of that violent move happening on the downside is very, very limited because anyway, we have already fallen so much, so there'll be no more panic selling or what they call it as a margin call. So those who are holding positions in futures, market continue to fall, so they cannot tolerate the MTM loss. So the broker, himself will square up the positions of the clients if they are not able to meet the MTM losses. So that's called margin call. So because the markets, has already broken 23,000 two times, and third time it went decisively below 22,800 also. So, margin calls may not be there in future. So, therefore, today market is not very important, and but I'm expecting the wicks to go up, the premiums to shoot up both the sides. Already the premiums are higher on both the sides, I think. And then, you know, uh, markets, tomorrow, many FIAs will not be very, very active, especially those very big FIAs. So if they want to sell, they will sell today. This is the last chance. And tomorrow, mostly they won't be very, very active. Tomorrow, it's going to be very, very important day. I've given interview, but mostly in Tamil channels. So that saying that tomorrow is going to be make or break day for both stock market as well as economy. So other than that, yesterday, the Reliance performance has not been good. I think Reliance will have to pick up. Even the Reliance is after the good result, even it is struggling to touch the level of pre-result level. Just before the result, Reliance was around 1270. Now it is still trading around 1250. Right? So if the market has to go higher, you know, Reliance has to recover. And moreover, in this fall, I think the Bank Nifty has done huge outperformance. So therefore, if the markets recover, the Bank Nifty is likely to move very high. So one of the simple trade is to go long in Bank Nifty and go short in Nifty. So that will be a perfect, what they call it as a pair trade. So if the markets go higher, the Bank Nifty is likely to move much higher than Nifty. So this is some kind of a pair trade where you make money also don't make very good money. You lose money also you don't lose big money. So let us see Monday what is going to happen to this trade. Otherwise, as I told you yesterday, I have taken huge long positions only through options and through various strategies in options. So let us see what is going to happen today. The first day, let it be a good omen. A gift nifty not indicating anything very big, but yesterday also the gift nifty did not indicate anything, but markets were significantly higher. So gift nifty is not, trustworthy nowadays. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.